on the 4th.
Alright, y'all. This is another one of my rebuild repower videos. I bought this machine, this old John Deere. I paid $100 for it. The reason I bought it is that right there. But I think I'm gonna try to make a grass cutter out of it. It's rough. You know what? Looks don't cut grass. It's a John Deere 130. I said it needs some paint. Needs some work. I got a bunch of these machines down there. Down in the lot. Down there. I got the mower deck to it. Don't see any holes rusted in it or anything. It needs to be cleaned up just like the rest of the mower. Anyway, I'm gonna see if I can't put this thing back together. It's gonna be a challenge. I'm gonna go down the boneyard down there and grab me another mower and see if I can't put something together. We'll see what happens. Alright, we're having no start issue here. And I'm pretty sure it's the valves that are out of adjustment. I'm going to yank the valve covers and adjust the valve and see what happens. Hopefully that fixes it. Then we got to go to the control arms for the rear end. The hydrostatic rear end are messed up. There's parts missing and shit. I've got another John Deere down there that I can pull the control arms and stuff off of, but I want to make sure I can get this thing running good first. I did get it to run for a few minutes and it sounded good, but I'm having a hard start issue, so I want to get that fixed. Alright, I adjusted the valve. Let's see what we got. Alright, y'all. Well, the light's killing me here. Before I go too far with this, I want to run a compression check on it. So this is cylinder number 1. I'd say that's pretty good compression. About 175, somewhere around there. We'll check cylinder number 2 and see what it has. Alright, well, the saga continues. Got it running good. Got the control arms and everything put back on the rear end. Fired it up, tried to move it, it wouldn't move. Could feel it trying, but it still wouldn't move. So I pulled the transaxle out of it, little hydrostatic unit, and drained the fluid and stuff out of it. Went to spin the wheel, and I spun that wheel right there, and it just spun free. I'm like, well, something ain't right here. So I pulled the wheel off after I already drained the oil and found out it didn't have a key in it. So I put a key in it and I figured Ben's already drained the oil. I'll just go ahead and service the transaxle on it. So that's what we did. I put new fluid in it, put a key in the wheel here, and we're fixing to put it back in and see if it does what it's supposed to do. I will let y'all know. Alright, y'all. This is what I got with it so far. I got it running. Got the mower deck underneath it working. All new blades. Put a lot of work into this one. The rear end is pretty much rebuilt. New battery. All kinds of stuff. The machine runs great. Take y'all on a little ride. This is one of the bone yards.
Side of town, sharing a dream with anyone. She's made it through heaven, she's made it through hell. It's just another story to tell. Have you ever felt you're missing the dream? Like the movie on the screen, filled with heartbreaks and fights through Hollywood nights, making up a bar queen on the phone in the great big boulevard, the place she belongs. Just another story she tells. Have you ever felt you're missing the dream? Have you ever wished your life was like the movie on the screen, filled with heartbreaks and fights through Hollywood nights?
Good, quiet little running machine. Y'all just bring it.